Hey, hi, yo, hello, what's up? It's LiDo, back for FirstLoved Designs, back for anything you want. Just kidding. I don't know what I'm saying right now. It is 11:38 p.m. This is, you guys, the 5th time that I'm trying to make this one video. I will point everything out now. Yes, my eyeliner is crooked. Yes, my lipstick is crooked because my lips are crooked. Do I care? Clearly not, because I'm making this video still. Well, let's start with what is on my face. And we've got Naked 3 palette. And when I tell you Naked 3 palette, let me just show you. I've got this guy right here in my crease. This right here on the brow bone. That's it. Then your girl got some Wet n Wild eyeliner. P.S. I have my computer right behind here. I'm using it as a monitor because the last 4 times that I've tried to do this, it was blurry. So here's to hoping it's not. Alright. If you can see, it won't autofocus. That's what I need to like figure out. I don't know how to do autofocus on the video mode, so hey, somebody help me. That'd be cool. Again, I've got my Tarte Shape Tape, and this is Light Medium Honey. I can't think. I'm so tired. I'm really sorry. Okay, so we've got Hoola, we got the Tarte Pro Glow, and for the best part, if you guys
do not know who Melt Cosmetics is,
I'm going to tell you. They are this amazing company that I have found through Instagram. I'm pretty sure most people have kind of found them through Instagram. They make these, they started making bullet like matte lipsticks. I bought a bunch. They're incredible. They stay on all day. The pigment is like unreal, out of this world. Then they started making liquid lipsticks, which made me so happy because one of the reasons that my lips are uneven, really why the lipstick comes out uneven, is because I don't really have very prominent lips. Like, I don't have a very defined line as to where my lip starts and then my face starts. Kind of just all blends together, and because of that, my lipstick bleeds into my face a lot, and it's super annoying. Like, it gets on the sides here and it gets like all up top. So liquid lipsticks are amazing. I really like them a lot. I have a lot of different brands, but I will tell you, Melt, oh my goodness, this is called Death Cherry. Oh, dang. Yo, this just super sucks. Anyway, so you can see, this was the original doe foot. It has the point. And then I've paired that with the liner that it comes with if you buy it as a set, and this is the Ambrosia liner, and it's amazing. Oh my goodness, they're so good. So as I had said in the last video, I would be talking about my nail polishes, and I'd be featuring one per video. And so we are just going to dive right in. We are going to start with one of my staple polishes that came out of a collection. I had originally made a collection called the Hillsong Collection, and it was based off Hillsong's album Zion. That album just like, it spoke volumes to me. It was incredible. I loved like every song from it. And one of the songs on that album was called Love is War. And again, it's going to be hard to see because it's not focusing properly. But this is a rose gold polish. This color is gorgeous. Again, because I said I've tried to make this video quite a few times now. I've already painted my nails. Just 2. But you know what? I'll just show you now. If you can see on these 2 guys right here, that is 2 coats on a natural nail. You can see like the rose gold shimmer kind of, or like kind of like the shapeshifter, if you will, of color. Now this is 3, so it's a little bit pinker, if you can see. And of course my computer just froze, but that's okay, we're gonna keep going. 3 amazing girls swatched this for me. I will tell you who they are. Their Instagram handles are NOODLE'S, Noodle is amazing. She's got these crazy long nails. They're so cool, and she does like amazing artistry, and hers are fake nails, and she does like the Valentino I guess it's like the clear or like the crystal dip powder. I can't wear anything for work at Starbucks, so I'm pretty bad when it comes to knowing like nail stuff, when it's like fake nails and acrylics and dip powders and things like that. And then there's Jenna, and Jenna is Polish Pals on Instagram. She's done some other swatches for me, and I love her work. It's so, like, when I think of Jenna, I just think like adorable. She's so cute. She's probably gonna hate me for saying that, but she swatched my polish, and she's just been so awesome to me as well. And then there's Christina. Christina is also a Long Island girl, and her handle is Kia Sophia 97. I'll actually put their Instagrams in the description as well, so you can check out all their stuff and you can see what they've swatched for me and what they've swatched for others. So these polishes, they run for $5 in my Etsy. I don't know, like, but all of my polishes are $5, and they're the standard nail polish size, which again, I don't even know what that is. I want to say it's 0.5 ounces. I'm a really bad businesswoman. This is why, like, you know, because I have a terrible memory. I blame that on Starbucks as well. I love Starbucks. Listen, they give me my health benefits. So all of my polishes are 5 free. I said that in the very first video, 5 free. They are free of formaldehyde, toluene, DBP. I have to really think about that one. Formaldehyde, resin, and camphor. They are all free of all 5 of those things. I need a drink. Hold on. So again, the polish is 5 free, as I had said. So not only is it safe for everybody, but it's also safe for pregnant women and for young little toddlers, little babies. Yeah, and it's not harmful to them in any way, or to you. I mean, it's nail polish, so I'm sure, yeah, it is. But not having those things in it make it better. Again, they're $5 in my shop, and the Etsy will be linked in the description box below, as well as my Instagrams and the Facebooks. I have one Facebook. The Instagrams, Facebook, the Etsy shop, as well as NOODLE'S, Polish Pals, and Kia Sophia, so you can see their swatches of my polish. It's also on my page, but definitely check them out. They're really cool girls. They do amazing work. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you for listening to me ramble. If you are here and you've watched this whole video, you are amazing, and also, you're cool. You're great. See you later.